What's up, dudes? It's V-Master, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm here with my dad.
Hello, I'm V-Master's dad.
Yes, guys. So he is here, and what are we doing today, guys? Moving up my chair because we are playing. Hold up. I accidentally, pushed it in and pushed it back out, but you know what I'm saying. Oh, my gosh. Wait, no, I don't want to play tic-tac-toe. So, guys, we're going to play some adventure today. I don't know if you guys know what this is, but there's an angry bird that chases you, and you're trying to escape him. You're trying to beat the game, and my dad said he might have played this when he was younger, but I don't know about that, because today we're going to win this, and I know every direction. Oh, that bird left. Okay, good. Good. This is honestly, so good. Oh. Wait, you know why I'm doing this, guys? Because when we get to the castle, I don't have to... Oh, no. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot, guys. Oh, crap. Oh, wait. Wait, guys, wait up, wait. Wait, I might actually be able to do this, guys. Just give me a second. We actually got past it, dudes. This is awesome. Because we're actually going to go this way. Okay, guys, we need to go this way. We need to go this way. Go, hurry. No, this is a chase. No, we got eaten, guys. We got eaten by the angry bird. By the angriest bird in the world. Which I'm so mad about. They're so angry sometimes. Oh, wait, he's chasing me. Guys, he's literally chasing me. Just run, Chase, please. No, don't hurt me. Oh, I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. Okay, I need to go this way. Just go cleverly, guys. Go. Take this, yes. No, I don't, I want this. There. Okay, guys, we might actually beat this. We might actually do it today. Wait, where am I going? Oh, this way. No, give me this! No, guys! We've lost it! We're gonna have to restart. Because we lost it. Okay, so first, we need to go here. Actually, no, because we're going to go this way. We're going to go this way. This way. Oh, no. Oh, no, you don't. He's like, it's my key. We may actually lose them. Them angry birds. Oh, crap. No, it's so fast. It's like a horror movie, guys. It's literally like a horror movie. Oh, no. Go. We need to run. We need to go. We need to go fast. We need to go fast. Fast! No! No, I need this. Okay, we're trying this again, guys. Okay, we might actually beat this time. No, I don't want to pick this up. No. I'm not letting it. Oh, the battery just fell out. Oh.
That's not good.
I know how to put it back in. Okay. Try number 4, I think. I think this is try number 4. This will give us access. No, it actually won't. But it'll give us access to not being eaten. I can't believe you can actually escape the bird in this. It's like really sneaky. And I don't want to get eaten right now because that would be really terrible. And that would be really bad if I got eaten. I got eaten. No. No. No, guys. No, 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 no. We want to go this way. We need to go this way, actually. We kind of need to. No! Okay, try number 4, I think. No! Stop it! Okay, okay. No! What is going on with this thing? No, we want to go this way. This way. Wait, no. No! Stop it! I want to pick. Are you kidding me? Do I really have to pick this up? Okay, we want to go this way. This way. This way. I can't get that through. Okay. This way. Oh my. Wait, no. I don't have access. No. No. No, guys. This isn't good. This isn't good. Help me. I'm trying as hard as I can, guys, to get through. No. It's not letting us. We're never going to get through. Oh, guys. I'm trying to get through. We're going to have to. I don't like this. It's scaring me to death, guys. This is the creepiest game in the world that I've ever played in my life. This one doesn't really, you don't really have to do anything in this one. You just have to get in the yellow castle, because now you're black. So you're the black castle. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Not good, guys. That angry bird, he is the death of you. All. Of everyone. Of everyone, guys. If I move my recording back, will that hurt? No, it won't hurt. It won't hurt at all. Okay. I was doing that so that I could get the Wii off my chair and so that I could get my chip off the chair. Guys, one thing real quickly, what I want to show you guys. So guys, I actually fixed this because I ripped off a chip accidentally, and then I taped it back. So, yeah, here's the old broken phone that we broke in the last video, but I just wanted to point that out because it's really cool to point out, and I really wanted to, so let's just get in to the scary things again. Adventure 2, play. And here we go, guys. I have my little head sticking out. Yay, this is so happy. I'm just gonna sit here and see what happens. Wake me up when it's time. Okay, guys, oh no! It knew where I was. Wait, I'm getting carried away. What is happening? Wait, what? Wait, what? So weird. Let me out of this. Guys, I'm trying as hard as I can. No, the angry bird has eaten me. Wait, are we gonna get farted out? Wait! No, I thought we escaped. Wait, that's not an area I've seen. Yeah, it is. Wait. No, let me out of this stomach. Help me. Let me out. Okay? Would you let me out? Let me out. Okay, guys. There's a game I really want to show you. So, Save Mary's one that I wanted to show you. Just play. You can't really save her. It's not really possible. You don't really know what you're supposed to do. Because there's nothing to do to save her. You can't really save her, guys. Yeah, this is also a very broken game. So... you can't really do anything about saving Mary. And if you did save Mary, what would happen if you won? Is the question. What do you think would happen if you won in this game, guys? Comment down below what you think it might be to win the game. Or how you could win the game. But, I don't think you can really win the game. I'm going to have to put all our luck into games. I'm trying as hard as I can to save Mary, okay? Yeah, there's no way to actually... Oops. Wait. Oh, wait. The remote was sideways. It's only as long as this. Yeah, there's really nothing you can do about saving Mary in that one.
I cannot believe it.
So, sea battle. multiplayer game shooting. Yeah, you can't really play this game.
What?
Does that look at the TV?
Yeah, what's going on with it?
Yeah, if you press start, you can't really play it. So it's not possible to play, guys. Man. And then what about? I've never played this. Ooh, this is cool. Oh no, there's a glitch in the command. Oh, that's not good. That is. Oh no! What do you do? I don't know what you do. Wait, what? Okay, this is another creepy one. I died. Great. Isn't that great? Wait, I thought that was... Oh, yeah. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new. And hit that bell for notifications so that you never miss another video. Again, where did that battery go? Oh, wait, right here. Okay, guys. Have a great rest of your day. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out, dudes.